Hey guys, thank you for watching. Hope you're doing well. So today I wanted to test out a E.L.F. face mask because it seems really interesting. So it's part of their Beauty Shield skincare line. It is the recharging magnetic mask. So yeah, pretty much if you look at the picture, like you put the mask on and then you use a little tool to like literally take it off like a magnet, like one of those toys back in the day, like those kids toys where you can use a magnet to like put on their hair and stuff. If you know what I'm talking about. Seems kind of gimmicky, a magnetic mask, cool and all, but like what does it actually do? And it says that the magnetic tool and iron-based formula work together to visibly lift away surface impurities and minimize the appearance of pores. It says it will leave your skin feeling soft and recharged for a makeup-ready canvas. So I wasn't sure if this was going to moisturize you. It kind of seemed like it wouldn't because it seems kind of like a charcoal type mask, which usually helps draw out impurities, but it leaves you a little bit dry. We'll just see how it goes. Okay, so it just comes with this. It's like a jar, the tool, and then this little plastic thing. We can go ahead and give you guys a closer look. Okay, so here's the little magnetic tool. You can see that there's like a heavy magnet in here. And basically these little plastic things, you just put it on for every use so it doesn't actually get too messy. Let's see if I can do this. Here is the mask product itself in a little jar, and it looks, this is how it looks. Okay, let's go ahead and try this. I hope it really helps my skin because as you can see, I've been going through a bit of a breakout right now. I think it's because of change in diet I've been doing, but I've been doing everything I can to clear it up. I'm going to use a tool to spread this on. It kind of has a smell, but I can't really tell what it is. So it says to keep this part of the mask on for 5 to 10 minutes and then just use the little magnet thingamajig to take it off. And I'm really I love trying skincare like this. It's just like, you're just so interested to see how like it's gonna work and stuff. And I've been seeing so many people use this ever since it came out. And it seems like it does work. Like, it seems super legit. So, I'm excited. Also, it says for best results, do not rinse it afterwards. So, hopefully the magnet thing itself should be able to take off all of a sudden if you don't have to, if they don't want you rinsing it off afterwards. Okay. I think that is as good as coverage as I'm going to get, so I'm going to wait a few and then I'm going to go ahead and try this out. So I'll be right back. Okay, I don't know about you, I'm ready to try this out really quick. It's kind of funny, I had some of the mask, like little tiny bits on my hands, and like I literally just picked up this without really thinking, and it already took some of the mask off. Like, I don't know if you guys can see that on there. So I guess it does work, but alright, let's try this out. Oh my gosh. It feels so weird when it's pulling it off. Oh, it's tickly. Oh my gosh, you guys see like the fibers being pulled up? That is crazy. What? Oh my gosh, that is nuts. Wow, it's like tickly feeling. Oh my god, that looks so crazy. Okay, I have about half my face off. Let me zoom in on this so you guys can see it real quick. That looks so crazy. I don't know if you guys can tell. What? Okay, I'm like touching it and it feels like a completely different texture. You know, it's not like creamy or anything like that anymore. It's like kind of almost a little bit sharp and like hard. It's like literally just changed the compounding of it. It's like nuts. I don't know how they did that. Okay, I had to go show my boyfriend real quick. He like did not believe that it was magnetic at first. And then like I tried to wipe some off and then I accidentally made a little face. So tickly, especially on your nose. light is on, it doesn't work as good, so you kind of have to wipe it off. But it's hard because it literally wants to like stick back to the magnet. It's so weird. Oh my gosh. I'm literally just like not touching my face at all. It's just coming off. It's kind of hard to get kind of like in the nooks and crannies of areas. So I might have to wipe some off. Around my nose. My nose looks crazy. Maybe if I got a new plastic thing, I don't really know, but I'm probably just about to wipe this all off. It's like as good as it's gonna get. Okay, so that was very, very interesting. And I have to say, like, keeping it 100,000, my skin actually feels smoother. It's just like something about the texture of it now. It's not the kind of smooth when you use like a really like serum-y, kind of like watery type moisturizer where your skin almost feels like kind of wet, really like dewy. It's not that kind of moisturizing. It's just like the surface itself just feels smoother, like more like baby bottom skin. Like, no joke, like I don't usually get, like, I love moisturizing products, but it's usually a different type of moisturizing results that I get. This is a super, super unique. Definitely comment if you guys have any questions. But my skin feels super good. Just gotta take care of this breakout. Hopefully it'll go away soon. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.